All right, just a little quick one. Yeah, I verified that the blue line is indeed the auxiliary. It says it right here. See that? The ground and the power have those have these connectors to it, and the blue one does not. All right, so using these little posi taps, it's kind of easy. You take them apart, take the bottom part apart, and you put it in here like this, because this is the wire I want to splice, right? So you put that in there. Then I'm going to take the other part, which is here. It comes in 3 parts. So now I'm going to put this part and screw it down there. So let me get that done. So hold tight. We'll come back. Okay, so now I got the second part in the first part, and I put it sideways because I didn't want it sticking up in the air. So I put it, because this is going to go back into the harness. I just unplugged it from the harness, and I decided not to cut this part off yet because I might be able to reuse it as insulation with some tape. So I might be able to do that. So now I'm going to undo the top part, which is right here, this threaded part, right? Okay. Then I think it's a matter of sticking my line down to here and tightening it back down. But let me double check on that. So hold on, we'll come back. Okay, so far so good. It does say insert 3/8 of an inch, or strip, it says strip 3/8 of an inch off the insulation, but and then insert and tighten. It doesn't tighten all the way down, nor does this, because I guess there's wire in there now, so it won't. But it's snug. I mean, look at this; it's not coming out. And this one's good. Doesn't see anything about adding tape or anything, but I always like to add some tape. But I don't know if I'm going to do that. We'll see. I don't know if this is watertight. It doesn't look watertight, because I can see down in there. But pretty cool little gizmo. I don't think I've ever used one before. All right, so that's it. I'm going to plug things back in, and I'm going to hook up my leads to my positive and negative, and I'm going to power it on. I want to see if she'll work with the Bluetooth and my cell phone, and once I get that, and I know she's going to work, then I'll tighten everything up, put the cameras, because look, I just have the camera sitting down. I just have the camera sitting down there and sitting over here, you know. So it's definitely I'm wiring it to make sure she functions, and then once I know it does, then we're going to put it in where I want it to go. All right, so sit tight. I'll end this one and I'll start another one when I get things further along. All right, more to come.